think we're live. Yep, we should be live. Hey, Juna, how are you? Good to see you. Good to see you. How's it going? How was yesterday? Uh, you streamed yourself? Okay, that's nice. I didn't see it. How did it go? Hey, Content, how are you? Good to see you. But yeah, how did your day go? I mean, I didn't know that you were streaming. Otherwise, I would have tuned in. Hey, Mafia. That's your other account, Content at Doorstep. All right. I will have a look. I mean, I didn't know you were streaming. No, I was so busy yesterday with work. I had no time. Oh, he's your friend. Huge system. I appreciate it. Good to see you. Yeah, I was so busy yesterday, but I traded a little bit. I mean, I showed you. Traded a little bit. Yeah, these accounts, they don't look too bad. I mean, we're. Oh, you didn't stream it, only did you trading. That's fine. But yeah, let's go over these accounts real quick. I mean, we're up here 3,500. That's pretty decent. We're still like 1,300 away from the payout. Then this one we're 700 away, and this one we are halfway through. So it's not looking too bad. And then also the Phidias account. Let me show you. We're up like 280 on this, so not too bad. We're getting there. Just baby steps. Yeah, next week is also 4th of July, so Friday is gonna be off. So we only have 4 days of trading next week. But yeah, I hope it went well, buddy. Hope you did good. Oh, wait, I gotta change the sound. I forgot that. Sorry if it's a little bit quiet. Now it should be normal. Just set up everything here. But yeah, good to see everybody. Good to see you. Let me just make sure my levels are up to date. Damn, we're pushing higher and higher here. Hey Mo. No, not yet. I have my interview appointment at the embassy or the consulate next week, Thursday. So July 3rd. And then because it's 4th of July, they're not gonna process it right away because they're gonna take the day off. And then there's also Saturday, Sunday in between. So I hope the week after this, I will get my visa because I already booked the flight on the 11th. So we'll see. I have $20, which is best for a firm where I can buy a funded account. Well, with $20, we're not gonna get a funded account at all. Like there's no straight to funded for $20. I mean, I would wait for a better sale. But if Phidias is still 90% off, you can get an account for like $10, but it's eval, so you still have to pass it. And then there will be activation fee. But yeah, if you only have $20, you shouldn't spend it in trading at all. Just keep it to yourself. It's not gonna bring you anywhere. Check Discord. Let me see. Oh, okay, that's what you did. Oh, okay. Oh, you on Bull Knox. I see that. Alright. Yeah, I will trade the open myself, but if I have nothing to do, I will show it on screen. I'll plug it in there. It's good that it works. What's the time? We have 8 minutes. But yeah, I hope I will be there July 11th. Like I said, I booked my flight already, so I hope there's no delays. Because otherwise it would be pretty annoying. I had $500, but my friend blew up everything, and now I'm left with 25. Yeah, never let your friend trade your accounts. That never works out. Also, you're not allowed to let someone else touch your accounts. You always have to trade them yourself. At most prop firms, you're gonna get banned for that. So don't do that. Yeah, hopefully no delays. Would be just so expensive. I mean, the thing is, if you book last minute flights, it's super expensive. And now the holiday season in Germany starts as well, so the plane is going to be pretty full already. But if you have to reschedule last minute, it's also pretty expensive most of the times. I hope they even let me in case I have to. Because sometimes they just say, well, that's your own fault. We're not going to give you anything. You just got to pay for a new ticket. And sometimes they let you reschedule for a fee at least. Hey, futures trading, how are you? See you. Yeah, I just hope everything works out. I mean, look, I can show you. Where is it? Look how many documents I have. This whole thing is filled up. It's so hard to see on camera, but it's a heavy folder. There's everything is in there. Because I'm not gonna go there and they're gonna tell me, oh, by the way, we still need this document, we still need that. So we prepared everything. You know, we even went through other people that already had their interview, and we checked what type of question they asked them and what documents they needed. And we got everything. I even got the receipt of the engagement ring that I bought, stuff like that. Like everything. My God. Because I'm already waiting so long for the appointment, and in case you go there and they say you need to come again because there was something missing, my God, you wait again like a month. So I won't let this happen. Hey Subash, how are you? Good to see you. Better to be over prepared than under prepared, I guess. Where are you from? I'm from Germany. What about you? But yeah, guys, like our Uncle Mo, he had a pretty good trade. He closed out of his position with 4,000 points in profit on the NQ. That's crazy. I hope you don't mind if I talk about that, but my God, 4,000 points. Crazy. Absolutely killing it. Man, you got 4,000 points. I'm happy if I get like 20 sometimes. Or 10. Okay. All right, we have 4 minutes or 3 minutes. Guys, is the quality fine today? Is there any issues? Sound quality, video quality, everything good? He's a billionaire. Oh, he's living the life. Uncle Mo, just killing it. That's crazy. Still 4,000 points. Jeez. Also on minis, he's not trading micros. It's a whole nother level. Can I buy me a new eagle? Right. Now, do the only reasonable thing. Take the money out and go to your local casino, put it all on black or red. Double or nothing. Alright, the market is moving already. Just gamble it all at this point. Alright guys, we got a minute 30. I'm gonna start focusing on the open now. But we're gonna start with 55. Yeah, we're gonna start with this account. We need 700 bucks. So if everything goes well today and Monday, Tuesday goes well as well, we can finally take a payout here. And this one, I mean, we're already at the payout level. We just need to make more money on it because of the consistency, unfortunately. But at least we have $3,400 of drawdown. That is pretty good. Dollar up right now. We below WeWap. Well, I don't look at the WeWap. Never. I don't even know how to set it up on NinjaTrader, to be honest. No idea. All right, guys. Good luck. We have news. News at 4. So this is in 30 minutes, 10 Eastern. Well, we will see what it's gonna do. I mean, we're open for whatever it gives us. But right now, again, I'm just gonna put some focus on RTY. Usually that's the cleanest, especially the last couple days. Well, not if it moves like that. Well, I take it back. Take it back. It's already starting to move right before the open. It's never a good sign. And we shall see. Oh, Nasdaq going south. Yes, as well. Okay, I mean, we had the first little spike down, and then we're going straight up, but oh my god. Look at the YM. What a candle. Can't take that. Been a huge stop. You're long. I mean, it bounced pretty good if you're trading NQ. NQ and ES, they bounce pretty good. Oh, you're taking a payout today? Nice. Good job. Love to hear it. How much are you taking out? Mm-mm-mm. Okay, let me show you. I'm in on. Oh my god, I might get screwed here. I think it might be too late now. Like way too late. Uh, let's see. It's just right at the top here. I think we're gonna get stopped here. Everything else is selling right now. Should have taken the RTY, I guess. 2,700. I mean, that's great. Take it. Take your money. Yeah, it's getting stopped here. Should have taken on the. Yeah, I really need a stream deck or something so I can just change it faster. How much are we down on this? 300. Yep. RTY was the better trade. It's payday. Let's go. Let's go. Look at this. I'm going to show you real quick. This was definitely the better trade here. The setup, the short. Been out. But yeah, now I can't take it. Now it's too late. It's probably going to go lower now, even. But good thing is it was on this account. This one doesn't matter too much. I'm tempted to still take that, to be honest. I mean, on the 5 minute, if we close good. This might be a bad idea. Let's see. This might be a bad idea. I never take entries on the 5 minute. Oh. Second time I think it didn't work. You mean the trade that I took? Yeah, I took it too late. I should have taken it under 1 minute. Now I have a little bit of FOMO here. I mean, we already moved a lot. I don't know. Yeah, usually it's never a good sign if you start having FOMO. I don't know. Well, now we in it. Just gonna move it. It works all the time. Yeah, I mean, you at least get always your like 2 points, 2.5 points. Well, let's see. I mean, especially if we're scalping like this, so. See, okay, at least we're going into profit. I don't know if I'm gonna get 2 points here because we already pushed on the 1 minute. I don't know. All right, let's see. At least we're still in profit. Yeah, the RTY, to be honest, is the only one right now that really moves. The ES and NQ, they kind of just chopping around. Okay, we got like a point of profit here. Yeah, I'm even thinking of just moving it lower. I don't know. It's just now I have a huge stop. And I wanted to trail it, but didn't really give me the chance. Nah, I think I'm messing up here. It's another setup on YM. Now I can't take it because I'm stuck on this. Yeah, this is horrible. I just have to move my target now. I mean, I don't know. How much were we down? Like 3 points. Okay, let's try to look at least for 3 points then. Stop down? Yeah, I want to, but I want to give it some room. Once we go back into profit, I'm going to start moving it. Let's move it to around here first. Yeah, once I'm in Florida, I really need a stream deck or something so I can just switch the scene. Because whenever I have to do it myself manually, it takes a couple of seconds and then sometimes I miss the entry. I mean, I never take trades on the 5 minute, but just shouldn't have done it. I mean, maybe we get a little bounce here on this level. Not, we might be cooked. But yeah, we're not gonna go on tilt. That's the most important thing today. We're not gonna tilt. Yeah, just reversing. Okay, we need to see an erection here. Okay, I'm gonna move it a little bit at least, so our risk now is 5 points. But I'm also gonna move this down now. I'll just do 5-5 here. But once we, in case we get back to profit, I'm gonna move this lower. That's why I always take trades on the 1 minute, 2 minute, right at the open. See, this was already the move here. This was already it. Look how clean it was. And now, too late. It hurts. This is the important account where I wanted to take a payout soon. So yeah, I'm gonna get stopped here. Should continue down. Yeah, on the NQ maybe, but not on RTY. Not what we want to say. Yeah, not going down at all here. Bad timing. It's so annoying. Every time I stream, I can't fucking trade. Unbelievable. We suck on stream. Alright, I mean, we still have one more account to trade. And then, because I was stuck in this, of course, I missed another setup on YM that also would have worked out pretty good. Damn it. Super annoying. Yeah, no, it's just was too late. Too late. That's why I never checked 5-minute trades on the open. Because usually you get the move like in the first 2-3 minutes and then it stops or reverses. But we will see. I mean, we still have one account that I want to trade, so. It's not too bad, we can still recover that. But yeah, NQ and ES, they're not really moving at all. And let me show you. Here, that's the ES right now. Don't FOMO. Oh, it's gonna be tough. It's gonna be tough. That's gonna be a tough one. I don't know if I can do it. Just gonna stay disciplined now. It's so easy to recover if we just use 2 contracts on NQ. It's like, I don't know, like 11 points, 12 points. We have the same issue, yeah. That is a pretty big issue. Alright, let's try to stay disciplined. Okay, let's focus up. Yeah, like, let's go back to RTY. Man, I'm gonna be pissed if this works out now. Would still take another short here. Because we still have high, lower, high. Now we're going lower. You motherfucker, if you stuff me out and then actually go to my target. My god. Alright, let's see if we have a good close. At least here we're gonna have a smaller stop. We enter on 1 minute. Okay, we're in. Let's see if we make some progress on this account at least. Okay, right at the entry here. Just looking for 1.5 points. Can't be too difficult to get it. It's it's a long time since I had an all red day. Check the orb Infidious. Oh, I didn't set it up yet. My quant tower is not even open. It needs forever to start. That will have a look at. I'm still holding. It's also the worst timing because it's a Friday. I hate this on a Friday. Okay, going into profit here. Okay, should get it here. Should get it. Just 4 ticks away. Or do we move it lower and we just trail it? My another. Okay, let's try that. Let's see if this. Let's try to trail it into the lows. I mean, on this account, we don't have any drawdown anymore. There's no trailing drawdown, so it doesn't really matter. But, well, it might be the wrong decision here. Let's see. Yeah, everything else is pushing higher. Let's see. I mean, it's gonna go lower now, or we're gonna get stuffed here. Yeah, there we go. Oh, $45. Alright, whatever. Whatever. Alright, should we try to recover the other accounts? What do you guys think? How much are we down on this? 500. Okay, 510. Like 25 points with one contract. So not too bad. Or it could be 12 points with 2 contracts. That's also a way to do it. Well, the RTY is actually going lower now. My god. Can make it right today. I have to try so hard not to get tilted. Trying my best here. Yeah, market is super slow. Is the president gonna speak or what's gonna happen? Feels like it. We're just waiting for something. It's super slow. I mean, it's a Friday, but still, this is not moving at all. Okay, the yes starting to move. Let's see. I mean, what's going on? We're like 23 minutes into the session. And this is like afternoon market, like lunchtime. That's super weird. Super weird. Oh, sorry guys, on the YouTube short, I totally forgot to have the chat open. Down liquidity, you're short. Where did you go short, Smiley? Totally forgot about you guys, sorry. GT Moni, how are you? Good to see you. I mean, I want to recover some of these losses, but how are we going to do that? If the market just doesn't move, how are we supposed to do that? They give us something here. Yeah, hi Moni, good to see you. Sorry, just didn't have the chat open there. All right, let's see. We can go higher. I mean, I would look for a long here, but we're at all-time highs actually. I mean, still a couple points off, but close. Okay, now we're moving. I mean, it's just 10 points. Just a 10-point candle. It looks so huge. This might be our setup here. Okay, we're close to buff. That's what we want to see. Where are you from? I'm from Germany. Germany. Okay, there we go. This was 200. 200. Oh, should have taken it with 2 contracts. I knew it. Could have been back break even here. Well, that was pretty clean. Getting closer there to all-time highs. You know what, guys? I'm gonna switch over to this account again where we're green. Because if we have a $300 loss, that's totally fine. This is like one trade on Monday and we're having the money back. So I'm just gonna leave it there. We made 200 back, so this is totally acceptable now. And we're gonna try to make some progress on the big account. because we need to hit 4,800 in profit anyways to get a payout. So let's just try to do this. But yeah, I'm trying my best not to be tilted or anything today. News in 3 minutes, so we're probably just gonna wait. Just gonna wait a little bit. All-time highs are right here. Probably a trap. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for news to play out first, and then we look for another setup. But yeah, if we have these baby losses like 200, 300, that's totally fine. Like we can just recover it in one trade again on Monday. Let's see. See if the news is gonna have a big impact on it. But yeah, still the market is pretty slow today. I mean, it's a Friday, but it still feels weird. Not moving like it usually does. But I hope everyone else is green. I mean, we're having a rough start here. Kind of messed it up, to be honest. Messed it up a little bit. Okay, the news are here. Well, if I get one now, why now? What do you mean? What do you mean? Still pushing. I mean, all-time highs are right there at the 790s. I don't know if it's a good place here to go long. I have no idea. No idea. Seems like something I like to do. Just buy high and sell low. Well, let's see if we get some sellers coming in here. Is this just gonna go higher? But yeah, also, did you check if you broke any rules already? If you request the payout later on? Did you make sure you followed everything there? I don't know if we're just gonna go long or we wait for a pullback. Not too sure about it. Wouldn't be surprised if we get a pullback here. it's so hard for me. I know we're just down a little bit, but walking away when I'm red, this is something I really need to work on. I'm gonna be honest with you, I even thought about just ending the stream and go tilt mode alone, without showing it, and just try to recover it. I'm really messed up. Really, really messed up. I don't know why this always hits me so hard, being red. But not today. Today is gonna be the day where we're not do this. We're finally gonna learn. Okay, perfect. Yeah, then you should be approved pretty quick. You should be fine. Okay, I'm looking at the 5-minute chart here for an entry. We close good in 1 minute. But yeah, we don't need to worry about trailing drawdown on this account, so we might even be able to hold it for a little runner. Okay, we have 30 seconds. It's just, is that a good idea to go long at the all-time highs? No idea. Okay, it looks like we're gonna close okay. Alright, I'm gonna give this a try here. Okay, we're looking for like 15 points. I mean, I know it's negative risk to reward, but I'm just gonna start moving my stop higher probably at one point. Okay, I'm gonna start moving it a little bit. Oh, sorry, you can't even see it. My God. Well, sorry guys. Yeah. Well, today it's not my day. I can't even stream. Can't even get that right today. Sorry guys. Okay, we're in profit here at least. Six points away. Gonna move this closer. Let me zoom in so you can see a little bit better. Thinking about putting a break even. There's just no room in between. Alright, let's just try it. Can't have a loss anymore. I mean, let's just let it run. I'm gonna try to trail it. I mean, usually it never works for me, but we're gonna give it a shot. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get stopped here. I mean, we're at all-time high, so if we get a pullback, it could definitely happen. Well, we need to bounce here. It is slow, it is. I mean, it's trying. It's probably still gonna go higher, but it might get stopped out before that. Okay, should we move it a little bit? Okay, let's log in at least a couple points here. Okay. Let's move it a little bit. Still going. Okay, I'm gonna move my stop. I'm gonna be more aggressive here with trailing it. Don't like to give back too much. Okay, still going. Maybe we just take it off up there. I don't know. I don't know how to trail correctly. Whatever. Just let it go. Take it. That's all right. Not used to trailing. Not used to it. All right, we're just gonna take it off there. Well, there we go. And well, I don't know how to trail. This the shit that gets me nervous. I don't know. And there's so many points. We had all-time high. Then I don't know if it's gonna pull back. If it's keep going higher, whatever. Well, we just take it. But yeah, not too bad. Not too bad. And we're, what is it? 850. Good that we took it. 850 away from getting a $2,000 payout here. This would be good. My guys, I don't know. Today I just don't feel right. It feels like whatever I'm trying to do, it doesn't work. And then, I don't know. That messes with me a little bit. But yeah, at least we're making progress on this account. And I really hope this is going to be the account that we're not going to lose again. Because if we look at the drawdown, we have now 3,800 drawdown. That's a lot to work with. So, but yeah, we take it. Yeah, I'm glad I took it off here. Just I'm used to set my targets, set my stop, and then let it play out. I don't really like to trail it. But when I trail it, then I don't know. I get a little bit nervous. I don't know how to set it up, how to push it higher or lower, you know. I don't know what is a good way to do it, how much buffer I should give it. Because if I give it like 10 points of buffer room and then I get stopped, and if you lose 10 points, like 200 of profit gone. So, I don't know. All right, let's try to go to Quant Tower. I have one more account that I want to trade. Let me just open that up for you. Let me get some water as well. Okay, it's connecting. There's one more account I want to trade. Let me just connect that. But yeah, guys, Jesus. The bottle just exploded. Well, you did correctly, just mark people. Yeah, that's why I don't like to trail. You know, that's just, it is what it is. Like I said, I'm still struggling super hard with not getting tilted. Yeah, let me move that so you can see. Okay. Yeah, on this account, I'm 2 days in and we're at $278 of profit. Target is 1500. Wait, it's kind of in the way. How should I set it up? Jeez, I can't even think straight today. Let's do it like this. Okay. Yeah, you can see the P&L. Where is it? Here. Once I'm in, you will see it here. You're looking for short? I mean, I get it. We're at the all-time highs, but I mean, trend is clearly up right now. Damn. Some days I just feel like a mess. Like, I don't even know what to do. Yeah, I think once we get a pullback here, once we get a move lower, we're gonna sell off hard. That's what I think. But we will see. I mean, the market does what it wants, right? And we had a little pullback here. I don't know if I'm ready to take long. What strategy do you use in trading? I look for trend, momentum, and breakouts. That's what I like to look at. So right now I would only take longs because we're trending upwards. But yeah, my setups, they work the best right on the open when I take them. Later on into the session, it's going to be more difficult for me. And this is where I struggle the most. But if you just tuned in, let me show you. We already traded 3 accounts today. And yeah, we're down on 2. We're up on 1. So now we have 1 more account to trade. Hopefully make some profit on this one. There's the pullback. Also tempting to just go long. I don't know. If we get a better pullback here, if we retouch this level maybe, then I will look for another long. What kind of indicators do you use usually? I mean, I just have the moving averages on. That's it. That's all I'm looking for. But they're just there to confirm the trend. But I mean, you're always able to see the trend yourself if you just look for higher lows, etc. All right, pulling back. But yeah, never copy anything that I do. Like I said, I'm still struggling myself, still learning. So always do your own research. Just trying to show the trades that I take, my journey here. All right, we're going lower. The simpler the better. Yeah, that's how I see it. I can't trade with too many indicators. You know, I just need the chart. Just let me look at the chart and then I can go from there. It's just confusing me. There's so much on the chart, I have no idea what to even look at. Okay, we had this pullback. Let's see if we get a good bullish candle here. But yeah, sometimes I watch other people stream without telling a name here, but they have all these terms and they call things certain names. Like I don't even know what that is. Like it sounds so technical. I have no idea. That's just way too much for me. Definitely gonna go lower. I mean, we could. We're still at the highs here, so that's why I'm not too sure if I'm gonna take a long right away. But I also don't want to short it because the trend is up. Here we on MNQ right now. I know you can't see it on screen, but if you want to have the full screen view, just click on the link in the message, in the pinned message. Like I also stream 16 to 9, so you can see the whole screen. But this is MNQ, the micro Nasdaq. Okay, that's what we want to see. But yeah, I only trade futures. I mean, I have some stocks, but I wouldn't really call it trading, you know, just hold them. Okay, I'm gonna take it long here. We have a good close. Of course, I didn't get filled. Let's try it again. I'm gonna set up my stop. Yeah, here we have static drawdown. So, especially because it's a fresh account, I'm looking more for like scalps to build some drawdown on it. We start with 500 and currently we're at 800 drawdown. Oh, it didn't fill me there. I swear that touched my level. That's so weird. Okay. How much was that? Yeah, like 37. It's not too much, but I mean, we trade 3 micros here. Let me remove this. So this is the current account that we're using. And yeah. So we have $815 drawdown now. Target is 26,500 for the payout. Let's see if we're gonna pull back again or we're actually gonna go higher. Let me also check when I have to work today. Okay. Right. Good that we took it off there. Nope, pulling back again. What do you think about order flow trading? I'm gonna be honest with you, I don't even know what that is. I mean, if you show me a picture of it or like another term, I will probably know what it is, but no idea. Like I said, I'm super simple. You know, I'm just looking at trend, pullbacks, and breakouts. It's all pretty much. How long have you been trading? I started 4 years ago, 4.5 years ago. But I started with just stocks. You know, I just bought stocks and hold them. And then I went to trading oil and gas, oil and gas. And then I traded a little bit of um, Forex, like a couple weeks. And then somehow I landed at futures. Trend all day, I think so. But yeah, I started futures with trading my own money, and then I discovered prop firms, and then I switched to prop firms. 2023, I think. Yeah, trading prop firms is just so much easier. Are you profitable yet? With prop firms, yes. With my own money, no. Um, I'm up like, I don't know. It's not that much, like 35,000 or something. There's a pullback, by the way. It's just different with prop firms because if you get a payout, this kind of pays for like, I don't know, like 5 or 10 accounts. So you can be profitable super easy. Let me show you. Damn, there's the pullback. When started live streaming? When did I start? This year in February or March? Not too long. Wait, let me log into Apex. I'm gonna show you. Oh my god, they don't let me log in. Order flow is just looking at the transaction candle. Oh, volume profile. Yeah, this is the stuff I don't look at. Okay, I'm in here. Request payout. Let me move that on screen for you so you can see it. Here you go. Oh, come on, let me move it. Let me make sure you can see that on here. So these are the payouts, and I got my first payout in October 2023, and this pretty much made me profitable with prop firms already because I didn't spend that much money on it. So the first payout made me already profitable. But yeah, then I had some payouts coming in. I also traded different prop firms. I traded with Bolonox, My Funded Futures, TopStep, Fast Track Trading. Yeah, that's pretty much it. But yeah, last year was going pretty well, and then you can tell it slowed down a lot. Like I wasn't doing too well. but we're here to work on it. What prop firm gave you the most payouts so far? Apex, and they also banned me. So this is, I have 3 accounts with Apex. These ones are left, and I still have 2 more evals that are gonna reset. These are the last ones, but I'm banned. So in case I lose these accounts, I'm never gonna be able to trade with Apex again. Like I'm not allowed to buy any new accounts because they're considering me to be transferred to a live account. What's not gonna happen. But yeah, I got most of my payouts from Apex. Most of it is from Apex. And then I got a good amount from my funded futures. Tradeify was good. Fast Trick Trading was good. They still owed me like 2,000 before they rug pulled. Yeah, Top Step just a little bit. Why did they ban you? I mean, they say they consider you to be transferred to a live account, but this is just what they like to say. There's no live traders with Apex. I don't know a single one who's live with Apex. Never heard of anyone. Yeah, so they banned me just recently. I got banned. So these are like my last 3 accounts. I'm just trying to get one more good payout, and then I don't care if I lose the accounts. But there's better prop firms right now, 100%. Way better prop firms. Just so much drama with Apex all the time. So I wouldn't recommend trading with them. You think you have more chance with static drawdowns? Hard to tell. I mean, like I said, this account with Phidias, this funded account on top, this is static drawdown, and I kind of like it, to be honest. It's just you have to make sure the first couple of trades are right so you can build it. And then from there on, it gets easier. But of course, if you have a loss on the first couple of trades, it's hard. But so far, I like it, actually. I like it. I don't think you're fully banned. It's just banned. Yeah, but I don't have that many accounts. I had, I have 56 funded accounts. That's it. There's people that have like 500, 700. So it's just a bit weird. I think they're going to come out with a live account in the future, or I don't know if they do that. They're saying this for months now that they're gonna put you live. There's people that got banned like a while ago, and they never received a live account. I don't know. Apex is just weird. I've been trading for 4 years in the past, so many challenges, but never got to a payout. Well, you just gotta keep grinding it. You will get there. Most important that you are disciplined. If you have a red day, just be able to walk away, because this is where I struggle the most with. Like, even right now, I'm so tempted to just recover this right now. But I did this in the past. I tried it, especially in the last 2 months. I wasn't able to walk away with a red day, and I tried to recover it, and it went horribly wrong. So, yeah, if I have a good trade on Monday, then we're just back to break even. So that's what I'm trying to work on. 700 is crazy. There's even people, I saw it in the Discord, they have like thousands of PA accounts. So I would like to consider myself with 56 funded accounts with Apex. That's not too much. And also, I didn't make that much money with them, I made like, I don't know, like in profit, maybe 30,000, 35,000 with them. And there's people that make this in a month or like in a week in payouts. I don't know, it's just weird. It is just weird. Yeah, to be honest, I don't know if we're gonna get another setup here. I mean, it's Friday, and I really want to work on it. Just walking away when I'm red, just a little bit. So I think I'm just gonna call it here. But let's go over the accounts one more time, real quick. Let's put this all on the stream. Revenge trading, yeah, this is the worst, you know, because like I said, right now I can just walk away. I come back on Monday, I have a normal trade and make all the money back. But if I sit here now and try to make it back and force it, if I have another loss on this, and then maybe I'm down 700-800 on the account, and then at one point my head just turns off. My head is just like, whatever, now we're down 800, you know what, might just risk it all, you know, whatever. If we blow the account, we blow it. So this is the worst mindset. And then you just blow so much hard work, you know, like we're in like 11 days on these accounts, and I could just blow them up today. I would be so annoyed with myself. You just put 11 days of work down the drain because you can't walk away. So again, this is something I really need to work on. You did good today. It was all right. Could have been better. It is what it is, but you know what, I take it. So yeah, this account we're down like 280. That's all right. We're 1600 away from a payout. Probably not gonna get there next week, but the week after, I hope. This one we're down 315, 320 after fees and commissions. So here we need 1100 of profit. This is possible next week to get to a payout. And this one looks pretty solid. Here we need to reach 4,800 in profit to get to a payout because of the consistency. So we are 850 off. So this is not too bad. We can definitely get there. And then on this account, on the Phidias account, we're up 315. It's static drawdown, so we're slowly building it. This is nice. But yeah, I mean, it all looks great for next week. I hope we're going to have a good start into the next month. It looks all pretty promising so far. And I really hope I can keep these accounts as long as I can and just take out money every 8 days. But yeah. All right, guys. I will be back Monday, 9:15 a.m. Eastern. And next week we have 4th of July, so we only have 4 days of trading and streaming. But I appreciate everyone who's tuning in. I appreciate all the support. I hope you are all agreeing on the day. And yeah, just be able to walk away when you're red. And again, futures trading, congrats on your payout there. And I appreciate everyone. I will be back on Monday. All right, guys. Happy weekend. Appreciate everyone. Thanks for tuning in. Enjoy some time outside in the nature, some time with your loved ones. Don't forget that. I see you all on Monday. Peace. Appreciate you. Have a good